Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Facebook watch video history. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down, click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on settings and then you need to scroll down and here you need to click on activity log and here you can see your Facebook activity. Click on that option. Here you can see post, click on manage post and then you need to click on filters, click on categories and this page will open. Then you need to click on videos you have watched and here on the top you can see clear video watch history. Click on that and click on clear and here you can see that some time to clear. So in few minutes it will be cleared. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.